रियासती असेंबली में कांग्रेस के फ्लोर लीडर मल्लू भट्टी विक्रमाका ने इल्जाम आयद किया कि चीफ मिनिस्टर के चंद्रशेखर राव को आवाम की फलाह बहबूद में कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है और उन्होंने सारी हुक्मरानी अपने फर्जंद के टी रामाराव को सौंप दी है। असेंबली के मीडिया पॉइंट पर अखबार वालों से बातचीत करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि रियासती वज़रा अवामी फराइज अदा करने के बजाय के टी रामाराव को आइंदा का चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाने के लिए लॉबी में मसरूफ हैं और उन्हें चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाने की बातें कर रहे हैं। मल्लू भट्टी विक्रमाका ने बीजेपी पर शदीद तनकीद करते हुए कहा कि वो रियासती हुकूमत की बदगुमानियों को मंजर-ए-आम पर लाने और मरकज से तहकीकात करवाने के बजाय इधर उधर की बातों में मसरूफ है। उन्होंने कहा कि अवाम ने रियासत में कारकर्द हुकूमत के लिए वोट दिया था, लेकिन ये हुकूमत नाकारा हो गई है।
Our section of the people are suffering seriously. If you see the farming community seriously, in a serious problem, like in distress mood also. One side, the government of India has brought new acts, 3 acts, which are totally against the farming community. The other side, state government is telling that they will not buy the agriculture produce what they produce. So they are really worried. Unemployed youth, for the past 7 years, they have been waiting to get a job. More than 2.5 lakh jobs are vacant, and the state government is not recruiting. At least, whatever the scheme that they have announced on the name of Nirujoga Bhriti, that is also not cleared, nor given any directions so far. So unemployed youths are like that. Employees, no PRC, no fitment. This is also a serious problem for them. Welfare, SC Corporation, for the past 3 years, no subsidy amount has been released, no loans. Minority welfare, in 2014, 15, 16, they have given the notification. From then onwards, no notification so far. And then BC welfare, again for the past 3 years, no subsidy amount, no loans. The welfare is like that. Everywhere you have all these kinds of problems. But unfortunately, the responsible ministers or legislators, instead of talking about all these issues and trying to solve these issues, they started talking about making a new man as a chief minister, this man, that man. Arey Baba, first we solve these issues. We are not bothered. We are worried about these things. Don't divert the issues. You solve it. Whomever you want, you can make. But solve these are the issues, very important issues. You don't have a CS who is from your state cadre. You don't have a full-fledged ENC. You have only retired ENC where you are spending lakhs of crores. So these are all serious issues. Try to address them. Thank you.